They say the real Indian food is cooked in the Indian home by the Indian woman. Now in this beautiful neighborhood, chirpy and beautiful neighborhood, we are here to taste Indian food as it's cooked in the Indian home kitchen. Well, this surname rings a bell, right? If you've been following Foodie, yeah, Vicky Vij, the restaurateur of New York, we are at his house, but we are not here for Mr. Vij. We are here for Mrs. Vij. भाई हिंदुस्तानी घर जैसा खाना खाना भी तो जरूरी है, नहीं? और घर जैसा खाना सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी घर में ही बनता है.
Oh hi.
How are you?
Good. How are
Very
you?
good to see you.
Same here.
And I'm
same.
excited.
Come. Come, Ranveer. Let me introduce to my friends. Come. This is Neelam, my friend.
Hi.
This is Simran.
Hi.
That's my younger daughter Kamal. That's Kanika.
Here.
And my nephew Arnav.
Come
Come sit.
the big Indian family, friends and family table. Huh?
Oh yes.
चाय शाह चल रही है.
हाँ चाय शाह चल रही है शाम की
That's the
बिल्कुल.
most important part. Right.
Yeah. और
Very well. So now I know where Vicky gets all the energy from.
from us.
These women in the family, you know, sharing him up.
बिल्कुल.
But it must be tough at times, right? I mean, long job. 16
Oh yes,
hours.
yeah. Now we are used to it. अब तो आदत पड़ गई है, but still, yeah.
So for you've been married for a really long time.
Yeah, it's almost it's 31 years.
31 years, and he's been working 16 hours every day.
Same
for
16 hours. Oh yes.
How's that going?
Oh, it was very hard for me, but now अब तो आदत पड़ गई है. अब तो अच्छा लगता है घर से बाहर जाए.
I have to tell you this. Okay, all of you, I have to tell you this. Vicky said the same thing when I spoke to him. He says, the day I'm at home, you know, Sushma says, what happened? Why are you sitting here? You don't have work. It's like, she's so used to not seeing me at home. That's, you know, it's a good thing though, because they say in our business, as long as people will have breakfast, lunch and dinner, we're going to have a job. It's going to be a long job, but we're definitely going to have a job. So works well.
Yeah.
So what are you into?
Well, I'm still in college, so I'm studying fashion right now.
No restaurants for you.
No restaurant.
And you?
I'm currently working too.
Awesome.
Yeah. So no restaurant yet, but maybe down the
Might
road.
happen.
Might happen.
All right. So there's a chance the legacy will
There's a chance.
continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So I have a son, 1.5 years old, and a lot of times
okay.
people ask me, so chef banana hai? And I look at them and I'm like, do you look at me? I'm home like 35 days in a year. No, I don't want that food.
You're right. Yeah.
But yeah, it's a tough and interesting.
Oh yes. Yeah, it's very tough. Yeah.
Now I have I'm sorry, a lot of questions, but I have a question.
Oh, okay.
So you've seen two generations
Right.
of people with varied tastes. One is Vicky, your husband, and now the daughters. How has the perception of Indian food changed across these two generations?
I don't think so. Anything changed. They love Indian food. They love all spicy food. Everything. They love India. They love Indian food. Whatever I make, they love.
Yeah, that's definitely important. Yeah. We're a bit health conscious.
I like.
Yeah,
I
and
like
they
the
eat
last part.
everything. Loki, ghee, tori, whatever you give them, they eat
But
everything.
thoda
Really?
ghee
Yeah.
come or tail come.
But
eat
ghee
everything.
tori and all,
Oh, yes, yes.
I could never do it.
Oh, they eat they love ghee. Ghee, tori, yeah.
And I like how she highlighted the last part of the sentence. They love everything that I cook.
Yeah, she's a good cook. She's a really good cook. So we love her to make, yeah.
I'm looking forward to her good cooking.
Oh,
Actually, yeah, seeing tea kind of reminds you of snacks.
right. Chalo, let's go. Let me make something for you.
Absolutely, I'd love to.
Come on, let's go.
See you guys. Nice. You have a lovely kitchen here.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
और आपने पूरी जो है आपको लगा कि रणवीर को मैं इम्प्रेस कर देती हूँ आज।
बिल्कुल, और
है ना?
क्या, बिल्कुल।
क्या बना रहे हो आप?
आज मैं बनाऊंगी ढोकला, खमन ढोकला।
पर खमन ढोकले को 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं ना?
नहीं, मैं वो बना रही हूँ सुजाता खमन ढोकला मिक्स। ये अमेरिका है, यहाँ ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत मिलती है। इंस्टेंट जो मैं आपको बना के दिखाऊंगी आज और आपको खिलाऊंगी भी बना के।
ये मिर्ची आपके गार्डन से है?
हाँ, ये मेरे बैकयार्ड से सारे।
मतलब मैं ले जा सकता हूँ?
बिल्कुल 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 ले जा सकते हो। तो चलो स्टार्ट करें हम।
बिल्कुल।
मैं पहले ये प्लेट लूँगी एंड फिर मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालूँगी, ठीक है,
ताकि ढोकला चिपक जाए।
ताकि ढोकला इसमें नहीं चिपके नहीं नीचे ना। चिपकेगा क्यों? तेल इसीलिए डाल रही हूँ ना कि ये इसमें पूरा मैंने इसको स्प्रेड कर दिया। एंड लेट मी टेक सम ढोकला मिक्स। तो मैं इसको मेजर करूँगी पहले।
Let me open it for you. मेजर करेंगे इसको?
हाँ, बिल्कुल मेजर करके ही बनाऊँगी मैं। बिना मेजर के तो मैं बनाती ही नहीं हूँ।
दो कप?
नहीं, 1.5 लूँगी।
1.5 cups. See, this is what happens. In our homemaker's kitchen, she's the queen. You just gotta watch, learn, and say, this is brilliant. This is brilliant, Ji. This is
Thank you, thank you. We'll take some water,
brilliant. How much?
about 3/4.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put some water here.
Ma'am, love.
आपको मिला? हाँ, आप कर लो, नहीं तो मैं कर लेती हूँ।
Thank you.
चलो आप कर लो।
I finally have a job. मेरी आदत है जी, मेरे हाथ जो है ना पंजाबी में कहते हैं निचले नहीं रहते।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
So it's very difficult for me to kind of stand at one place and watch.
I know, मेरे हस्बैंड भी ऐसे ही करते हैं, विकी भी ऐसे ही करता है। आता कुछ नहीं है, पर हाथ सब जगह मारने ही मारने हैं।
मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता?
नहीं, बिल्कुल आता है। और ये मिक्स हो गया। अब हम इसको इसमें डालेंगे, ठीक है? इसको ज़्यादा नहीं करना है क्योंकि फिर ये वो हो जाएगा,
बैठ जाएगा ना?
बैठ जाएगा, राइट।
No, this is the beautiful part. Now, normally, whenever you're making a khaman dhokla mix at home, you'd leave it to ferment for a
हाँ,
while,
and
that takes time.
it takes hours, yeah. This is my khaman dhokla. Now I am going to put for steam. Okay.
This looks very nice.
Thank you. Let me put here for 15 minutes. Okay. And I'll cover it up. चलो आप हरी मिर्च काटो, मैं तब तक तड़का बनाती हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ जी।
इतनी तो हेल्प मुझे आपसे लेनी ही चाहिए।
चलो, मैं आपकी हरी मिर्च काट देता हूँ तड़के
ठीक
के
है,
लिए।
मैं तड़का बनाऊंगी और तड़के में मैं थोड़ा डालूंगी। विल पुट सम ऑयल, कड़ी पत्ता
Okay.
एंड राई, हरी मिर्च, और फिर उसका तड़का लगाएंगे
Perfect.
और फिर उसके बाद खाएंगे बैठ के, ठीक है ना?
बाकियों को बुलाएंगे?
बिल्कुल, जो बैठे हैं वो वेट कर रहे हैं कब से।
और ये टमाटर भी आपके घर का है?
हाँ, ये भी टमाटर घर का है।
चलो, आज we'll do a small salad with the dhokla using something from your garden.
ओके,
Done deal?
डन।
Perfect.
माय God, it looks so yummy. Oh,
Really?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
आप बोल रहे हो तो मान.
सैलेड को देख के भूख भी लग रही है.
All right, here you go. Salt and pepper to taste.
चलो.
To taste as per the lady of the house.
Oh,
Little bit of lemon juice, little bit of coriander.
coriander.
Indian खाना है तो coriander तो डाल.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Coriander के बिना तो मज़ा ही नहीं आता.
Nice, and I'll go check on the dhokla.
Okay. Wow. It came so good, soft and good.
Happy?
Happy, yeah.
आपने बनाया जी.
पर आप निकाल के लाए ना तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
So now we'll leave it to relax. 5-10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
Chill
Yes.
करने देते हैं इसको.
Yes. Then we'll cut into pieces and then we'll put some tadka.
Your tadka that's ready.
Yes, that's ready.
All right. Let's flip this over. Nice.
Chalo, let's cut into pieces.
Cut this into
Yes,
pieces.
I'm so hungry.
It makes the two of us.
Oh yes.
All right. इसको निकाल के. Let's cut it into nice wedges.
अब भूख लग रही है बड़ी जोर से.
है ना भूख लगी है.
बड़ी जोर से.
Little bit on the side.
और धनिया.
Dhania and a salad.
हाँ.
Right.
आपने तो बहुत अच्छे से कर दिया उसको और ज़्यादा वो कर दिया.
No, this is healthy food, right? It's all
I know,
steamed, not
yeah.
fried at all. Goes well with a salad. And how can we forget our dearest friend?
धनिया. Your best friend.
है ना? My best friend. मतलब मेरा कोई भी cooking, कोई भी show complete नहीं होता तो धनिया ना
धनिया ना जाए. मैं तभी तो कह रही हूँ मैं your best friend.
जाए.
रणवीर चलो यार खाएं. बड़ी भूख लग रही है. देखो कितना बढ़िया बना है.
देखा अपनी
मेरे से तो वेट नहीं हो रही है. आपसे हो रही है तो आप वेट करो. मैं खाने जा रही हूँ.
नहीं खाते हैं.
खाते हैं ना तो
सबको
चलो
बुला लेते हैं.
सबको बुला लेते हैं. आ जाओ सारे. नीलम आ जाओ. कनिका आ जाओ. सब आ जाओ. चलो खाओ.
It's our
देखो.
favorite dhokla.
Oh my God.
Auntie's specialty.
Yeah.
I think the last time I had the dhokla, yeah, I went outside and I tried it again and it wasn't the same.
Oh really?
Very good.
Thank you.
Why is everybody so serious around the table?
We're just waiting to start eating. Maybe you can start and then you can jump in.
There you go, sir.
Okay,
Chalo.
perfect. I'll
Let's
start
start
with
with
the
some cheese.
cheese.
कोमल समोसा. You want समोसा?
And you know the ladies have to try the salad because she
I know.
feels
Oh, yeah.
they're
I
gonna
know. You
love
want
it.
समोसा?
I love salad so much.
नीलम समोसा और ढोकला. You want? I'll have ढोकला. Okay.
Here we go.
So, yeah.
Good.
Main stuff, huh?
Thank you. Looks very nice.
आपको पता है नीलम ये सुजाता का है ये. Instant, yeah.
I think I've been resistant.
Gonna go in half.
Very tasty, very nice.
And smile.
It's really soft and good.
There goes the diet. There goes the diet into half.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Don't ask me.
So the eating's done now. All you got to do is
Kitchen rolls.
after eat.
Good thanks. Eat.
Yeah.
Praise the cook. And tips accepted.
The tips part is uncle. We just defer our bills to him. You know, he takes care of that.
And this
Dry
is not
salad,
tips
salad
for
is
cooking.
Very good.
Yeah.
Right? Don't give her tips for cooking. Just give her the tips. But this was awesome. You know, a lady of the house is the lady of the house is the lady of the house. And it's great to see कि वो हिंदुस्तान का जो texture है ना, that lady of the house texture is still here. Pleasant, memorable, and yeah, that instant dhokla wala idea, you know, that's magic.
अच्छा लगा?
You know, Indian moms have that, right? suddenly I remember, like, when we were hungry, our mom used to just whip up magic and we were like, Mom, I'm hungry. And she's like, wait for 2 minutes. And then something just suddenly appears, right? That's the Indian housewife. That's the Indian homemaker, right? Here's to Indian homemakers. लेकिन picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, एक जगह और जाना है.
एक जगह और जाना. बिल्कुल.
Well, you use the breast piece, is it?
Yeah. Make those.
Cooks faster. In the beautiful neighborhood of Curry Hill, or Lexington Ave as it's called, there is a restaurant that stands at the corner of Lexington and 28. Chote Nawab. You know, the name definitely raises a question mark, and there is a quirk to it. For more on that quirk, you'll have to wait because Chef Hemant is waiting inside. Chef Saab,
Welcome.
very good to see you again.
See you again.
हाँ, और मतलब जगह ऐसी है कि पंजाबी में कहते हैं नज़ारा आ जाए. Beautiful, beautiful. You can sense retro, you can sense India, you can sense Bollywood just from standing here. I'm itching to ask you a lot of questions, लेकिन मुझे पता है डिनर टाइम हो रहा है, आपका किचन बिजी हो जाएगा, आप बोलेंगे रणवीर फिर किचन में घुसने नहीं दूंगा, मैं पहले किचन का चक्कर लगा दूंगा. Thank you. Orders first. In a busy kitchen, orders always first. One chicken tikka masala, one aloo gobi ghar ki, one plain naan and one mango chutney. And we have Freddy here with us. Freddy is from Guatemala and he does some amazing tandoor work here at Chote Nawab. Now trust me, Honduras, Guatemala, Salvador, the best tandoorias ever. In my restaurant in Boston, I have 3 tandoorias, one Salvador, one Guatemala, one Honduras. Excellent. How long have you been cooking Indian food?
I cooking like 5 years.
5 years? Nice. And before this?
Before this, I working another place 2 years.
Nice. All Indian?
All Indians.
So you Hindi Hindi समझ में आती है?
बहुत आता है.
अच्छे से आता है?
अच्छा से आता है.
क्या बात. You know, it is. When I came in, for me, it was a big insight into the fact that, you know, tandoor work needs a lot of courage. And it needs a lot of guts to have put your hands into 425 Fahrenheit at all points in time. But nobody does it better than Freddy here, right?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. All right, so what are we cooking?
Now we're cooking chicken haryali.
Huh.
We using garam masala and kasuri methi, coriander, coriander powder,
Perfect.
and cilantro sauce too. And we chicken white meat with white sauce with cream. And we marination with it all together.
Okay, so here you have white chicken. So you have chicken tikka, white marination, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of cream, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of mint, a little bit of... That's it. And black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. So to this we are going to add mint chutney.
Mint chutney.
Mm-hmm.
It's green chutney.
Mhm.
Green chutney. It's mint, mint and green pepper, onions, and ginger, garlic,
Coriander leaves.
coriander leaves,
Cumin.
cumin.
Lovely.
We marination with
Nice.
this one, baking grain.
Dhania powder. You already there?
Yeah, it's already.
Kasuri methi also there?
Kasuri methi and cumin powder also. Yes, we saw.
Perfect.
Just like this. If you want to make green, it's okay. Just we make like this haryali. Chicken
Perfect. Perfect. So now back home in Guatemala, you do a lot of barbecue, right?
haryali. Yeah.
A lot of barbecue. Sometimes Sunday the family gets together. What do you like eating for barbecue?
Barbecue, I like everything, but I don't have a favorite for barbecue.
Yeah?
I just try to eat other things.
So you like Indian food though?
Yeah, of course. I
Your-
work a long time here, so how can I not like?
Yeah. What's your favorite? What's your favorite
My
Indian food?
favorite is like eggplant with aloo. That's my
Eggplant with aloo?
favorite. Yeah, it's
Wow, aloo baigan. Now, trust me, back home a lot of Indians would not like aloo baigan. It's great to hear that we appreciate what bangan does. You know, I tell everybody that eggplant is the best vegetable ever. But in India, they don't like the eggplant. They say, no, this is only for prison people, not for us. But trust me, my favorite dish is also aloo baigan. But I put a little bit of vadi in it, you know, the aloo vadi wala vadi. So I take a little bit of vadi, crush and put on top.
That's nice.
Yeah. Perfect. So this goes into tandoor?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. Well, you use the breast piece, is it?
Yeah. Because that's nice.
Cooks faster. Here you go, sir. And my turn. तब ये बताओ ये छोटे नवाब, where did the name come from, the movie?
So Chote Nawab actually you can say probably inspired from Bollywood.
Somebody once told me, you know, to be successful in life, you have to have the guy upstairs, you need to have his blessings, and the guy who's working below you, you need to have his skill and his help. And you guys, you have guys with great skill and great attitude. You know, I think that's the most important part of being successful, and you have that covered.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Yeah.
तब ये बताओ ये छोटे नवाब, where did the name come from, the movie?
So Chote Nawab actually you can say probably inspired from Bollywood and put it, so that's why we put some Bollywood movies here and not too much, we don't want too much Bollywood, but little Bollywood and
No, but this Bollywood is nice. This is retro Bollywood.
Retro Bollywood.
Yeah, this is Eastman color Bollywood.
Yeah.
You know, that the nice memories of the Eastman color films or the films that were actually hand colored. That that Bollywood cannot in any way do any harm.
yeah.
Sure, you wanna go ahead for it.
So, yes.
But how is life on Curry Hill? I mean, you've been on Curry Hill, on Lexington Ave for a really long time. How's that?
No, Curry Hill actually this street known for Indian food. You know, see, in this Curry Hill we have almost 15 Indian restaurants, and so people coming for only eat for Indian food. And when anywhere in New York who want to do Indian food, they will always come into Curry Hill. And here we have Indian grocery shopping also.
Yeah.
And we have one of the very good store, Kalustan. So first Indian store opened in 30 years ago. You can Indian spices only there.
Right.
Maybe if you are, you must visit this store.
I will.
Yeah.
And you also get the best pan.
Pan also, yeah.
On Lexington Ave, you get the best pan.
Yeah.
I mean, not just best in New York, but sometimes it beats pan back home in India.
Yeah.
Outstanding. Mint chutney में क्या होता है ना? The moment you have a little bit more mint, a little bit more masalas, it gets bitter.
Better, yeah.
This is balanced, perfectly balanced. And also,
this is white meat. And white meat you dry very fast. And we use chicken tenders. Supreme is moist.
yeah. Chef, normally tikkas are red meat, but here you're using white meat. One, obviously cooks faster. अगर restaurant भरा हुआ है तो tension नहीं लेना कि chicken tikka पकने में time लगेगा. But two, it's also superbly tender.
Yeah. So we are using tender.
You're using chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
Nice.
And you know, यहाँ पे बहुत लोग को white meat खाना है. For the health.
Absolutely. No, this is lovely. And like I said, on a tandoor there are two things that matter the most. आपको क्या बताना? You've learned from Jaiswal साहब. But एक तो time और एक temperature. कि time कितना पकाना है और temperature कितना है. I think if you manage time and temperature, you're a master of tandoor. And there is no thermometer on a tandoor, so it's all guesswork. It's all experience more than guesswork. Chef, now overall when I look at the menu, not a very large menu, but primarily very tandoor focused, very biryani focused, झटपट निकलने वाला, early evening start करने वाला menu है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. एक तो आप पता है रेस्टोरेंट बहुत सारे हैं. कंसेप्ट को ऐसा करना था तो कबाब एंड बिरयानी इज परफेक्ट कंसेप्ट एंड वेरी पॉपुलर रेस्टोरेंट. फॉर द लंच टाइम ऑल्सो and dinner also. Lunch offices, and they will come in group. They order moving fast because lunch is very fast pickup.
Uh-huh.
So they have only 30-35 hours.
Right,
And we
right.
don't have to make fresh. We make fresh. We cook fresh chicken, you see.
Right, right. But for me, it's a good example of how you would suit a business to a neighborhood,
Yeah.
and also to the kind of cuisine that you're serving. It's just how you put two and two together, turn it into a formidable business. And for me, that's what I love about the place. It's that place around the corner that you cannot miss. And once you get in, with all the action-packed hustle bustle, phones ringing, you are sure that this is one busy place. And personally, I'd want to sit down and dine where there are a lot of people, because I'm sure that the food's going to be good. Nobody wants to dine in an empty restaurant, right? But this is, this has been, again, like I said, for me, Curry Hill overall has been quite a revelation. And if I talk about Chote Nawab in particular, again, very, very impressed. Choti si jagah, lekin Nawabon wale thaat. Yeah?
बिल्कुल सही बोला.
Right. So this place is a small place that makes you feel like a king. Nawabs were erstwhile kings. And it makes you feel like a king because when you have good food in front of you that's cooked fresh, and you have somebody who smilingly makes it and somebody who smilingly puts it at your table, well, that's what exactly would make you feel like a king, right? If you're not feeling like a king, all you got to do is come to Chote Nawab. And don't forget to watch Sujata Golata presents The Foodie Comes to America, powered by BKG Foods. Don't go anywhere, take care, and stay foodie.